The Bluetooth HandsFreeLink voice recognition feature lets drivers make and receive phone calls without taking their hands from the wheel or their eyes from the road. The vehicle's directional microphone in the overhead console is positioned to pick up the driver's voice commands from the normal sitting position, so there's no need to lean in when speaking. Just minimize other noises and talk in a normal voice. Use these tips when talking to the vehicle's standard Bluetooth HandsFreeLink system or available Honda satellite-linked navigation system. Just give the talk button on the steering wheel a short press. If Android users have the Android Auto app downloaded and the phone plugged into the USB smartphone audio interface, you can engage the Google Assistant with a long press on the talk button. And you can engage Siri with a long press on the talk button when a compatible iPhone is paired to the system.